Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how I organize my refrigerator. As you guys can see, this is the before and it is looking very unorganized and very out there, which I don't really like. So I will be showing you how I will put every single item back in there, but organize it to my liking. So if you guys would like to see the after, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is how it looks empty right now. And as you guys can see, it is a little bit dirty. So I will be cleaning this up and then showing you my next step, which is how I organize everything that I put inside of it. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, and this is how my fridge looks afterwards. As you can see, it's way more organized and I can see everything pretty much. And everything is in its place, so I really like it. And I did take out a bunch of stuff that was either going bad or that was way too old. So there is way less items. But this is how I like to keep it clutter free and just whatever I need at the moment. And we do go to the grocery store on Saturdays and Sundays, so this will be nice and full again by Monday when we go to work and the kids go to school. So let me show you what I kept. So on this door I just have a little coconut water because that's what I used to do my acai bowls. And then some essentials over here. And then soda and just a condiment seasoning. On this side I keep all of my cheeses up here. And then all of my dressings, our favorite dressings. And then I always keep my husband's and my son's milk right there. And then my daughter's milk. She likes the vanilla. This is a pot of something that I made. I made arroz con leche, so this is jalapeno, pickled jalapenos right there. Our butters, creams, and cheese like queso fresco right here. Down here I have more extra soy milk because I like the original soy milk and she likes the vanilla, and she goes through like 2 or 3 a week, so I like to keep extras. Right on this compartment I have breakfast or snacks. See, I only have salami at the moment. I need to go buy turkey and ham to make this complete, and more little snacks right here. So Greek yogurt, waffles, a little protein pack. Right here I have my tortillas, garlic toast, chorizo, and some Parmesan cheese. This is my favorite container right here. It's where I keep all my veggies. So this is how it looks now that it is all clean and organized. Well guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done a cleaning my fridge video in a while. This is why I thought it was a good idea to make another one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye guys.